Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we're here at Disney Springs once again.
Right behind us, we are super excited to give a try to Swirls on the Water. It's one of the newer places to receive Dole Whips here at Disney Springs.
Yeah, it is the old location of the Bubble Waffles. So they have a flight of Dole Whips that we're excited to try. So let's go up and check it out.
Here is that building, Swirls on the Water, where you're going to be able to find Dole Whips at Disney Springs. It is super easy to locate. All you have to do is look for the Rainforest Cafe's giant volcano. Right across from that, you'll find Swirls on the Water. Here's their menu. Their soft-serve Dole Whip flavors change frequently. They have nachos, 50 celebration cone. We're going to try that Dole Whip Flight today. Okay, we have purchased a Dole Whip Flight. I am so excited about this. So we have 3 different versions of Dole Whips, and they were all the flavors that they had going on today. So starting from left to right, we have the blue cookie dough, which is on the back side of that. And then the yellow is lemon, so it's a twist of that. It's got the iridescent sprinkles on it, so very, very cute. Here in the center is vanilla and pineapple. It's got the pineapple on the edge. And then their new flavor today is actually strawberry cheesecake. So the pink is the strawberry, and then it's actually the purple. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's kind of like the purple that they had with the Ursula float back in the day. So it's got the strawberry on the side. They actually said that this is brand new as of today. So we're pretty excited to try all of these. It was $6.49 for this Dole Whip Flight. I feel like the fanciest girl in the world right now eating this Dole Whip Flight. So number one, they're in these adorable glasses that are kind of like martini looking glasses. And then they're also like honeyed down to the cardboard carrier. I don't know if honeyed is a verb or not, but that way they stick and they don't fall off as you're trying to travel with them. So I thought that was smart. So I'm gonna start with the blue cookie dough / lemon. An interesting combination. Lemon comes across very, very strong. Lemon is a great flavor for a Dole Whip, but I'm just gonna get just the blue cookie dough. That does not have much of a flavor to me. But I guess the flavor together is not too bad. The only bad thing about Dole Whips is that they don't last very long, so it is starting to melt very badly in the Florida heat. The center one, like I said, is pineapple and vanilla, so just a normal one. That's my old faithful. You cannot go wrong with those 2 flavor combinations together. Yeah, that's always probably going to be one of my favorite combinations. And then this one, they said is brand new today. So they said it actually replaced the habanero lime. They said that's a seasonal flavor, so the strawberry cheesecake has started to take over for it. Oh, wow. That's great. The strawberry comes across really strong. The cheesecake, not as much. But the cheesecake, if you've had the Ursula float in the Magic Kingdom back in the day, that's exactly what this flavor, this purple one is. But I like that each of them has like some kind of special design on it. So the sprinkles, the different garnishes on the side that kind of go along with each of the different flights. So it's a lot of fun. I enjoy this.
All right, so I'm ready to dive in and try this flight out. Love me a good Dole Whip, so let's see how these rank out. So I'm gonna try in this blue cookie dough lemon. So this sounds like a really unique flavor, so I'm excited for this one. Oh my, that's good. That's really good. Kind of has a unique flavor. Like, we go to this gas station, believe it or not, in Ohio called UDF, United Dairy Farmers, and they have an ice cream parlor inside of them, and they serve an ice cream called Blue Moo Cookie Dough, and it kind of has a unique flavor, kind of like that. It reminds me of the Blue Moo Cookie Dough mixed with a lemon custardy ice cream. So this is really good. I'm really enjoying that one. Let's dive into this pineapple vanilla, see how this one tastes. amazing as well. Can't go wrong with traditional pineapple Dole Whip mixed with that vanilla, the creamy vanilla in there, swirled with it. Another hit there. And then the strawberry cheesecake. I don't know how I feel about that one. I'm not a real big fan of that. I don't know. I think I could leave that one. So that's probably my least favorite. I don't know. I don't know. That's a unique flavor. I'm not really caring for that one. So that's probably a no for me. This one, love it. A definite yes. The pineapple, vanilla, that's great. This cookie dough and lemon, a definite must as well. So yes, yes, and a no for me. Let's talk about those Dole Whips.
Yeah, so I enjoyed the flight. Like I mentioned, I felt like the fanciest girl in the world with all those little martini glasses full of Dole Whips. I really enjoyed 2 of them. I didn't care for 1 of them. The blue cookie dough to me was not a Dole Whip flavor. I feel like Dole Whip should be a fruit flavor, but I like the lime part of it. Love the pineapple vanilla. You can't go wrong with that. And I enjoyed the strawberry cheesecake a lot more than Cedric did. So.
I thought they were great. I thought it was an awesome experience. All I didn't really care for was that Ursula colored one, the strawberry cheesecake one. But the other 2 were phenomenal. I love the fact that they changed the flavors out so you can come back and get different flavors at different times. But for $6.50, that was an awesome experience. Excited to do it again at some point.
Agreed. So much fun to have Dole Whips here. Lots of flavors here at Disney Springs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will
see you real soon.
Bye, guys.